up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's YouTube video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make an intro. In particular, I'm going to be creating a Vlogmas intro, but you can use this idea or these tactics to anything you want. So first things first, you're going to need a couple of apps. You're going to need your Safari to be open. You're going to need Vont. You're going to need Video Star. You're going to need iMovie, which automatically comes with the phone. And you're going to need my favorite app, Phonto. So first things first, you want to go to your internet search, and then you want to search Christmas background. Now for my Vlogmas this year, I went with this background right here. We're not going to use this one for the video. We're going to go ahead and go with this one right here. So for me personally, I would click on the photo and add it to my photos, but I already have it. And then once you go ahead and choose your Christmas background, which there's a lot to choose from, it's pretty hard. You want to go ahead and search transparent Snapchat ghost. Make sure you get that one. Make sure you get the transparent Instagram logo, as well as the subscribe logo and the Snapchat logo. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. You need to make sure you have all of these things downloaded, because sometimes these iPhones be tricky. So go to your gallery and make sure you have the Instagram logo, Snapchat logo, the Snapchat Ghost, the subscribe logo, and then your little background photo that you downloaded from Safari. All right, so once you already have those things downloaded, then you want to go ahead and open the app called iMovie. So you want to go ahead and create a new project, hit movie, and then you want to go ahead and add that image from your background, and then hit create movie at the bottom, and then you're going to see the image pop up right here. Now, as you move your finger across your screen, you're going to see the image moving, and that's not what we want at all. So click on the image, and then you're going to squeeze it, make it really small, and then you're going to type on Ken Burns enabled, right? And so we're going to go ahead and drag this clip to about 10 seconds. All right, let's get it to 10 seconds. All right, so we have it at 10 seconds. This is pretty much what it looked like. Nothing major, just a photo that we turned into the video. Hit done, and then hit the little box at the bottom, and then we're going to go ahead and hit save video. And then be sure to save your video as 1080p, because not a lot of devices get 4K, so your video is going to look really bad. Once your video exports to your library, hit OK. Then go ahead and open iMovie. No, go ahead and open Vont. So click on Vont, hit the little camera at the bottom, hit load new video, and then you want to go ahead and add that 10-second clip that you just made. Hit use original video, and then we have our video compressed right here. Now to add text to your video, hit the grid on the outside and type your channel name. So my channel is Cameron Armani, so I would type Cameron, and then I would type Armani. I don't know why I can't spell today. That's every day. Let me stop lying. And then go ahead. You have this white plain text. You're like, this is ugly. So click on your first name or whatever. You have the option between text, font, style, size, tilt, move. Also, if you swipe, you can get curved, but I'm not going to go into any of that. So hit font, and then you can choose your font, which is a bunch of fonts over here, but I'm going to go with Luckiest Guy because that's just my favorite font. And then I'm going to hit style. And then you can always change the color of your text to whatever you want. I just want to keep it plain white. And then click on stroke, and then click black, and then go ahead and turn it to 14. I like to stick with the number 14. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing for Armani. My stroke is black, and then I go to 14. And pretty much it already looks pretty cute if you ask me. I'm just being honest. All right, so it's still simple. If we click on it, it's just our name running on a video. We don't want that. So click on Cameron. And as you see the little time at the bottom, you want to click on that time. And then for your start time, I want to make it 1 second. And then click on my end time. And I want to keep it at 10 seconds. All right. Boom. Also, while I'm selecting camera, hit none. And then we're going to click zoom in. And then hit done. Click on Armani. Hit the start time. Go ahead and make my start time 2 seconds. My end time is still going to be 10 seconds. Hit none, and then we're going to make it zoom out. We're going to hit done. Now let's go ahead and see what that looks like. So this is pretty much what that looks like. We're still nowhere near done. So you want to go ahead and hit the box at the bottom. Go ahead and make sure you export your project at 1280 times 720 HD. Any other one you have to pay for it. So hit save video. So I'm going to go ahead and export your video for you. Okay. Save successfully. Ignore the ad that's going to pop up. Go ahead and go back to iMovie. You're going to open your original project, hit edit, and then you want to go all the way to the end, and then you want to hit the plus button, and then you want to go ahead and upload that video that we just created with our name, and then we're going to hit the little plus button right there. So now we have the little video in place. So our first video, we're going to make it all the way down to like not even 1 second, like seriously, right? And then this little thingy right here in the middle, the little transition, we're going to click theme. We're going to change that to 2 seconds. And then we're going to hit the little settings looking button. And then I'm going to show you guys, we're going to use travel, but I'm going to show you what it would look like if you were to select neon. For example, this is what it would look like if you were to do like a neon transition. But we're going to go with travel because Christmas is like travel-y to me. So we're going to go with travel and then hit done, which is the one I used in my Vlogmas intro. So it's going to be something like this with the cards, and then it's going to say the Cameron Armani, which is pretty much that. So you want to go ahead and hit done. You want to go ahead and hit the box at the bottom. It's a lot of repeats, guys. Hit save video, and then you're going to go ahead and save that in the 1080p because, again, not a lot of iPhones get the 4K, okay? So here's the fun part. Here's where it gets tricky and everybody gets all confused and, you know, all that good stuff. Go to the app called Video Star. Click on it. Hit the plus button, which is in the corner. You want to go ahead and hit edit video, right? Click on videos. You want to go ahead and click the latest video that you just created, which is the one with your name or whatever. You want to hit make a video, which is going to process. Once that processes, you want to go ahead and hit new, right? Hit re-effect clip. You want to go ahead and hit the plus button at the bottom. Go ahead and search. And then my favorite thing is like wiggle, right? That's my favorite thing. I like the wiggle. Okay. That sounds something crazy. All right. So go ahead and take it all the way to the end, right? Go ahead and hit this little arrow that's facing up right here. No, don't even do that. Go ahead and hit the down button, this down one. Hit re-effect clip, and then go ahead and make it shake. Oh, you get what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy, nothing too major. Something really simple. It's going to be done. It's going to go ahead and process. Now, that's how we get it to shake or whatever. Hit new. Re-effect clip again. Hit the plus button, and then go ahead and search spin, which is something so simple. You don't have to use these things, guys. This is just something I do. You can go through all these different activities and stuff like that, but you don't have to really do it. That's just, again, what I do. Okay? So tile spins right there. We're going to go ahead and take it to the back. Hit that down. Hit re-effect clip, and then we can go ahead and make it look all weird and cute and oh yeah, Merry Christmas, you get what I'm saying? All that little cute stuff. This one is actually totally different from the one I got. Hit the X button, then go ahead and hit the little downloader looking thingy, and then hit send to camera roll. It's going to go ahead and export this video to your camera roll, okay? Once it's exported, then you want to go ahead and go back to iMovie. On iMovie, you want to go ahead and open a new project, which is right here. And then you want to go ahead and open that video that we just saved, right? Hit create. You want to go ahead, my bad. You want to go ahead and open that video that we just created, which is this one right here. Hit the little check button, create the movie. And then let's go ahead and watch it really quick. It's going to be something so simple. Oh, it's Vlogmas, yay, yay. All that good stuff, all that good stuff, all that good stuff. And all that good stuff. Okay, if you want music, you want to go ahead and go to YouTube, search the music, screen record it for a long time, and then you'll end up back inside of your iMovie app. You'll hit the plus button, videos, for example. I think I might have already had some music in here. Yeah, for example, this song right here. You'll click on the video, hit the 3 dots, and hit audio only. I don't even know what this audio is. And let's just see what it looks like. period. See, something just as simple as that, and you can always click on your audio and drag it back to where you need it to be. So like, again, let's go ahead and play that final product. And that was just an example for that one. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my Vlogmas intro again in case you really want to see it. And yeah, let's see the final product. Let's get it. Now, as far as adding our Snapchat logos and stuff like that, all you want to do is just go to Phonto, hit the camera at the bottom, hit photo albums, and then you'll go ahead and add that photo you had, hit done, go ahead and type in your social media name, whatever. For example, I'm not going to show you the full thing, add image, and then you'll go ahead and add each individual logo. You can always change the size on it. And then you would just do that. You would just line them up like that. Same thing just as Vont. Change the stroke and everything on your words and different stuff like that. For example, let's say we use that one to be in our video, and then we'll do it, then we'll reflect it. It's the same thing, guys. So be sure to subscribe, give the video a big thumbs up. It's me, Cameron Amani, signing out. If you want a slower tutorial or you need some help, be sure to let me know. And thank you so much for watching this video.